Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on replacing the battery in the HP 15-0031NS laptop. Before we begin, make sure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap for safety. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged from any power source. To start, locate the screws on the bottom panel of your laptop. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove all screws. Remember to keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this can damage the clips holding the cover in place. With the back cover removed, you will see the battery connected to the motherboard. The battery is usually held in place by a few screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws carefully. If you find it challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so feel free to reach out. Next, disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. Be gentle during this process to avoid any damage to the connectors. Now, you can lift the old battery out of the compartment. Take your new battery and place it into the battery compartment. Ensure that it fits snugly and aligns with the connectors. Once in place, reconnect the battery to the motherboard. This step is crucial for ensuring your laptop powers up properly. Now, secure the battery in place by replacing the screws you previously removed. Make sure they are tightened adequately, but do not over-tighten as this can strip the screws. After securing the battery, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Then, replace all the screws you took out earlier to secure the back cover. If at any point you feel unsure or lack the necessary tools, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home for convenience, no calls, no travel involved. Once everything is reassembled, plug your laptop back in and power it on. It's a good idea to check the battery status to ensure it's functioning correctly. Go to the settings and look for the battery information to confirm it's recognized and charging properly. Lastly, if you would like a quote before repair or need additional assistance, don't hesitate to contact us for more information. We're here to help you every step of the way. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the battery in your HP 15-0031NS. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.